Welcome to a dream home that beautifully combines Japanese and Scandinavian minimalist design. From the outside, this single-story house radiates simplicity and elegance. Clean white walls paired with natural wood accents on the entrance door and window frames create a warm and welcoming look. A flat roof with a gentle slope adds a modern touch. The front yard features a serene Japanese-inspired Zen garden with white gravel, natural stones, and a bonsai tree. A wooden deck with minimalist outdoor chairs completes the relaxing vibe, surrounded by lush greenery and tall trees. Step into the backyard, where a spacious garden awaits, blending Japanese and Scandinavian aesthetics. A Zen garden with white pebbles, large natural stones, and uniquely shaped small trees is the highlight. A small koi pond with a wooden bridge adds a calming element. The wooden deck, furnished with Scandinavian-style outdoor furniture, including a table and chairs, is perfect for relaxing or spending time with family. Surrounded by neatly arranged greenery and soft outdoor lighting, this garden offers a tranquil and harmonious ambiance. The living room showcases a spacious open-plan design with minimalist Scandinavian decor. White walls, light wooden floors, and a neutral color palette set a clean and modern tone. A cream-colored L-shaped sofa paired with a low wooden coffee table and a woven rug provides maximum comfort. Floating wooden shelves adorned with small plants and books add warmth. A large window with sheer curtains floods the space with natural light, creating a bright and refreshing atmosphere. Japanese influences, such as bonsai plants and wooden details, add a subtle yet refined touch. The open-plan dining and kitchen area harmonizes Japanese and Scandinavian design elements. A solid wood dining table with simple chairs is positioned near a large window overlooking the garden. The modern kitchen features floating wooden shelves, a white ceramic backsplash, and durable stone countertops. Pendant lights with soft, warm lighting hang above the dining table, adding a cozy atmosphere. Small potted plants and neatly arranged modern kitchenware on the shelves enhance the charm of this space. The master bedroom defines comfort and elegance with a Japandi-inspired design. A low wooden bed frame with white bedding and a gray linen throw creates a serene ambiance. White walls are accented with natural wood panels above the bed, adding character to the room. A built-in wooden wardrobe with sleek, handle-free doors seamlessly blends into the design. A large window with sheer curtains overlooks the garden, offering a soothing view. Wooden bedside lamps with soft lighting and small potted plants bring a refreshing touch to this cozy retreat. The second bedroom features a minimalist design that prioritizes functionality. A low wooden bed, a small study desk with an ergonomic chair, and a simple bookshelf meet all essential needs. Neutral tones like white and gray paired with natural wood accents create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Wall decor, including a small abstract painting and mini plants on the shelf, completes the room's aesthetic. The workspace is a cozy corner equipped with a lightweight wooden desk, a modern chair, and a large window for natural lighting, making it an ideal spot for working or studying. The bathroom reflects elegant simplicity with a modern minimalist design. White ceramic tiles, light gray flooring, and natural wood accents create the perfect combination. A wooden vanity with a white sink and a round mirror serves as the focal point. The glass-enclosed shower area with built-in shelves ensures a tidy and functional space. Warm lighting from recessed ceiling lights adds comfort, while small potted plants placed on corners and shelves bring a refreshing touch to the bathroom. In this home tour, we've explored how the perfect blend of Japanese and Scandinavian styles can transform a house into a peaceful sanctuary. From the calming Zen garden to the minimalist interiors, every detail reflects harmony, simplicity, and elegance. We hope this tour inspires you to create your dream home. A space that's not just beautiful, but also functional and serene. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas. See you in the next video.